Hello, my name is Rodney Hill, Product Manager here at Atlas Copco. Today I'm excited to show you the newest member of our IXB line of battery tools. The IXB are integrated controller battery tools, and we have some other videos on the ICB and the ITB-A if you'd like to learn more. Today I'm going to focus on the ITB-P, which is the newest member of this family. This is our new pistol form battery tool that has a new 14-volt battery that makes it smaller and lighter than previous generation battery tools. It also is faster and has a host of other new features here that I'm going to talk about. First new feature, and probably the first thing you would notice when you look at the tool, on the back here we have something we call the RHMI, which is the rear HMI that provides feedback right to the user. There's 4 buttons around here for different functions on the RHMI. Also, right above the RHMI, we have the light ring on the back of the tool. And if I were to do a tightening here, you can see that turns green when I get an OK tightening. Or if I get a not OK tightening, I can see that it flashes red. So it kind of gives the indicator to the user very easily to see whether my tightening is OK or not OK. In addition to that, on the front of the tool now, besides the headlights, we also have an indicator when the tightening is OK or not OK. Here you can see I got an OK tightening and it turned green. If I pull the trigger again and get a not OK, it will flash red on the part that I'm working on to let me know that I got a not OK. In addition to that, we also have the buzzer on the tool that makes different noises, and we have the handle vibrates. So it can actually feel the handle vibrate when I got a not OK to let me know that I had a fastener that didn't tighten OK. Also on the tool on the top here, we have an accessory bus. Makes it very easy to mount accessories on the tool. We have a few different accessories that are available for this tool, including what you see here, the 2D barcode scanner. We have an ILT or an ILM tag for our location systems. And we also have combination tags that do both, have the barcode scanner and the ILT or the ILM tag. We're happy to see this tool join the IXB family of tools. This has been an introduction to our Tensor ITB-P battery tool. If you have any more questions, please contact your Atlas Copco representative. And thanks for watching.